Oh, cow crossing. Hello, cow. I don't know how come that guy is never afraid. If I were to pull such a big animal, phew, damn scared. Anyway, what is that? A buffalo or a cow or an ox? That also I don't know. City boy. Okay, anyway, let me speak on a rather controversial topic. Why is it that I don't respect some women? Okay, why? Now, I'm pretty sure feminists are jumping on their seats. Oh, wow, how dare you, you're a male chauvinistic pig and blah, blah, blah. Listen to what I have to say, just listen and then tell me accordingly. And listen, if you're sensitive, don't watch the video. As simple as that, okay? So I'll give you my logical reasons. You tell me if I'm right or wrong. Okay? Number one, why I don't respect some women, not all women. Okay, I have a wife and I have a baby, so obviously I can't say all women because there are women who have made a difference to my life. And it's wrong to say all. Okay, number one, let me give you an example. You must have read that news. Melinda Gates divorces Bill Gates, okay? Then Jeff Bezos' wife divorces him. In fact, if you check a lot of rich celebrity stars whose wives have divorced their uber rich husband. Have you noticed one thing? After they divorce, they by default get half their wealth. Half. I was just trying to figure out, okay, Jeff Bezos, the visionary, he has made this business, Amazon, from zero to billions of dollars to $1 trillion evaluation. I mean, what did his wife do? Whisper in his ear how to run the business, the coding, the interface, the strategies. What did she do? What? Apart from that, what did she do? Okay. And cooking, cleaning, massaging, taking care. Okay. Then Bill Gates' wife. Did she write down the code for Windows operating system? Did she tell him how to run Microsoft? Did she accompany him for the business dealings and survive and, help Microsoft become this legendary business brand that it is? No, once again, she did all the wifey duties. But man, they got paid a big amount of money. It's like, sometimes I think, man, that's one expensive vagina. Really expensive one. Better than that, if you get all these, you get this gold digger, much more cheaper, man. At least they look young and hot and you can use them. They'll fake it, but they'll give you extra services, and when you don't want, bye-bye. No hard feelings. This entitlement these women have in the West for free money. And then they say, oh, I will donate to charity. Yeah, it's not your fucking money. Not in your father's money. You got it free from your poor husband. See, this is number one. When women harp about equal rights, we should be treated equally. Yeah, then he didn't take your money. He didn't touch anything of yours. You're eating half of everything of his. Then how can you ask for respect? It's like that Indian TV show, this female slapped one guy who was on this reality show. These were singers or something, they had to dance. So this female is acting like a tough, this thing, and she's saying, something was shit, and he said, your shit or something, or he said something, fuck you. She slapped him physically, so he gave her back physically. So because he hit her physically back, everyone jumped on him. This females have this thing. They can physically hit you. Some females. You can't physically hit them back. If they hit you, it's okay. I could never understand that. How can a female hit a guy and that is okay, but a guy hits a female back? That is not okay. I mean, why do you raise your hand in the first place? See, that's the second reason why I don't respect females. Third one is you demand equal rights. Fine. But then do equal duty, All these females are asking, oh, we deserve equal opportunity. Fine, then there should be equal opportunity everywhere. There is people who are doing sewage cleaning. Equal opportunity should be there. Go work. Some of you there also. Then they should be in the army where men die and take bullets. You work there, no? They should be, working in the construction industry, lifting heavy things. There also you should work, no? Only you want to be CEO. Oh, the number one CEOs in the world. Yeah, because the thing is, men sit 14 hours, 16 hours, late at night, while you are taking care of the baby, breastfeeding. Who asked you to do that? You're doing that with your own free will, then you can't ask best of both the worlds. It's like one guy spending 18 hours in one particular skill. You're doing 4 hours and you're expecting the same. Opportunities are there, but sacrifices have to be made. Yeah, whose fault is it? I mean, you can blame nature. Oh, men don't get pregnant, women get. Whose fault is it? Don't get babies, no? Then the next one, which I don't understand, is, women want to fight. Oh, yeah, we will show you this and that and all that. But then when you get put in your place, oh, we are just women. Oh, we are just women. How could you do this? Well, 1 minute you act so brave. Then when you get bitch slapped and put in your place, then you say, oh, I'm only a woman. Come on, man. Stop playing the victim card. It's like, two people getting into a fight. You get into a fight, physical fight, one of you will get knocked the fuck out. When you start getting beaten up, don't cry, how can you hit me? I'm only a woman. No. You either play the role of an alpha male and remain an alpha male, but don't keep switching over. It is like the gender fluid, Sometimes they say, oh, I feel like a man. Oh, I feel like a woman. It doesn't work that way. See, overall, what I want to tell you is this. I'm not saying women shouldn't be respected. Yes, women should be respected. But you should earn the respect. You should not demand for it. Demanding respect is like, just imagine I get married and tell my wife, hey, you have to respect me, okay? Or I'll break your face and this and that. That's wrong. You know why my wife respects me? Because I work day and night. Because I sacrifice for the family. I take care of the family. I always keep them in mind. I do things through actions. That is why even though so many people online comment, oh, you're treating your wife like a slave. Oh, she's working. Baba, it's me who's earning. Every day, the $100 we are spending every single day for food and this and that. This is not including water, electricity, everything else. Only just shopping, $100 a day. I'm the one who earns that. This is apart from house rent, electricity, water, lawyer, business fees, expenses, everything else. Just for food. $100 a day. Yeah, I told my wife openly, the day you feel it's a difficult life for you, you work, earn $100, pay all the expenses, I'll sit at home and take care of the baby. She can't. So she knows each one of us plays our role. I respect her for being the mother that she is. I respect her for the housework she does. I respect her for the sacrifices she makes. And she has earned my respect there. And she respects me for the man, for the role that I play as a man. So we have both earned each other's respect. We don't demand for it. However, when people forget and they start demanding, you put them in their place and make them realize. For me, whether it's my wife, whether it's my clients, whether it's my kid, whomsoever, when people forget their place, you need to put them in their place. However, yes, if there is someone very rich, very powerful, who can abuse their power and cause you harm, with them you can't do anything. So what you do is keep away from them. Same thing which I told my wife. The day you feel I'm a bad guy, I'm a tyrant, made your life miserable, leave, go. I'll not stop you. You find another man, go. Who can keep you happier, go. Because what happens is then they realize the reality of life. See, I just want to tell you this much. Today we live in a world where people are demanding things. I demand respect. I demand unemployment benefits. I demand this world should be fair. I demand equal opportunity. You can sit and demand, it's like, farting, standing in one place and farting loudly and hoping someone would notice your fart. Life doesn't work that way. So to all my sensitive feminists who are watching this, remember, earn your respect, earn your stripes. Don't demand for it. And that is where men, whether good or bad or whomsoever, they will respect you. There are so many women whom we look up to, whether it is our mothers or whether it is CEOs, or there are many women who are accomplished. Yes, some of them do reach that ladder in different ways, from the right way to the questionable way. Like, right way can be politics or business, wrong way can be porn, sex, porn star, all that shit. So each one to their own. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? I'm open to your criticism. Let me know. Alright, you guys take care.